Dear friends, welcome once again to my channel Jack's Confident. In this video, I am going to discuss how to fill online application form for 23rd West Bengal State Eligibility Test SET examination and what will be the important points to remember at the time of form fill-up. I think you all know about the last date of application in the SET examination. The last date is 15th September 2021. The official website for West Bengal College Service Commission is www.wbcsconline.in. West Bengal College Service Commission is organizing authority for the West Bengal SET examination. Now we will enter into the official website of West Bengal College Service Commission for the purpose of SET examination form fill-up. First of all, this is the interface of West Bengal College Service Commission official website. You can get the link of this official website in the description box of this video. First of all, you can see apply for state eligibility test. Here the link of apply now. Click on apply now. Then you can see exam details of candidate registration. You are applying for SET examination and you have to choose the subject. I think I am choosing the subject environmental science. And then the important thing is, have you qualified earlier WB SET in the same subject? Which means, have you qualified the West Bengal SET exam in the environmental science? Here it is environmental science. So as you are applying, it must be you have not qualified. So no. And then choose of district. District of center of examination. Think that I am choosing Paschim Medinapur. Then you have to choose the subdivision of this chosen district and you have to give the preference in the blank space. Think that I am choosing Ghatal as preference 1, Kharagpur as preference 3 and Medinapur Sadar as preference 2. You can do as your preference and then click on next. It is the personal details. Name, father name, date of birth, mobile number, Aadhaar number and address. So I am giving this is the sample. I am already qualified, net, set, GRF, everything. Father's name, and then mother's name, and then you have to choose the category. I am general category and then choose date of birth. My date of birth is 1996 February 29 and then marital status I am single and then gender male and then mobile number, Aadhaar number and address. For the purpose of time consuming, I don't show this. You have to give your mobile number, your email ID, your Aadhaar number and nationality and you have to write your address. Then you have to click on next. Now qualification details. After the completion of filling personal details, you can see this interface of qualification details. Exam first, UG, university or institution. Think my university is Calcutta University, year of passing 2017. Subject, think it is math. Marks obtained 600, full marks 800. Grade point, think it is A. Percentage of marks 600 out of 800, percentage will be 75. And then PG exam first, PG, you know, university institution, CU, year of passing 2019. Subject math 950, full marks 1200. Grade point 950 out of 1200. Percentage of marks will be 79. If you are a PG student, if you cannot pass the PG examination, then think you are in PG first semester, then here PG result awarding yes, okay. And then, are you a PhD holder and have you completed your master level examination by 19th September 1991? Are you PhD holder? If you are PhD holder, then yes or no. I am not a PhD holder, so next. After the completion of filling qualification details, you will be see the interface of upload documents. You have to upload photo and signature. Photo in the format of JPG, JPEG, JPG or JPEG, and the size will be within 4 KB to 40 KB. And signature you have to choose in the same format, JPG or JPEG, and the size should be 4 KB to 30 KB. Then tick this blank box. I hereby declare that I have carefully read the conditions of eligibility mentioned in the advertisement. These conditions are acceptable to me and I fulfill the required conditions, the details mentioned in the application. And then you have to click on submit button. After click on submit button, you will be able to see an interface of payment option. You have to pay the required fees, then your application will be completed and you will be notified by your mobile number and email ID. After all, the important points to be remembered when you are filling your application form is your date of birth, your valid mobile number and your valid email ID. There are so many problems when the result being published after few months of the West Bengal state examination. The candidates cannot remember their password and they cannot able to see their result. So I will suggest you, please write down your password sent in your email ID, as when you need the password you can get. So this is all about the application process. If you think this video will be helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel Jack's Confident and click on bell icon to get notified of the new video from my channel. And don't hesitate to like, share and comments. And also, if is there any problem you faced when you are filling the form, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. And please see the description box. If there is any update regarding this West Bengal SET examination, then I will upload the update in the description box of this video. And thanks for watching. Stay connected with my channel, Just Confident. Thank you.